I have placed long order in TCS at 3595.1. Stop loss is placed at 3588.50. So my buy order is not yet got triggered. Let's see if it takes my order and then bounces back. Okay, my buy order in TCS has been triggered in this candle. Stop loss is intact. Let's see. Finally, TCS has started to move up and it has crossed its day high resistance. So it's very important to break. It has broken with high volume. So I placed my target order at 3621.60, which is around 1:4 risk-reward ratio exact. Let's see if it takes my order. I think it had come for a test of that resistance. And it is acting at a support. And I hope now my target will get achieved soon. Finally approaching our target, very near to target. It is crossing the latest day high resistance. Okay, finally we achieved the target of 1:4. Let us understand the logic behind today's TCS long trade. We'll explain a little bit different method of analyzing any stock that is based on last month data. So in the November month, this started here and up to this 30th of November. So in November month, TCS first made a high and then made low. So it started here and a low made here. So this was the overall negative trajectory of the TCS for November month. If we see the highest volume candle in this trajectory, this was this candle. So this was a candle high. This is the candle low. So I will also mark a month high and a month low. So these are four prominent levels came from the past month. So what could be scenarios with these four levels? If price breaks above, then it can come down and take support. This is first scenario. If price breaks above, come here, it can take support of this candle high. Second scenario, if price goes down, then it can come here and take resistance. This is third scenario. And if price goes down, it can come up and take resistance from this level. This is the fourth scenario. So these are the total four scenarios how this price can move next month. Now let us see what happens in December. On 1st December itself, it broke this month high resistance. Second day also it went up with increasing volume. So this is confirmed support. On this day, it did not obey this resistance and it did not take as a support, but it took support from this candle high almost there. Next day also it took the support from the same level nearby. So this proven as a support in like second scenario. In this candle, it tried to come down, break this resistance down and again went up. So this resistance is now got confirmed in this candle. That was the yesterday's candle. So for today, the hypothesis was on buy side from the same level. And you can see it took support from the exactly from the same level. So this is one of the way to analyze the stock. Now, till today, I have explained only delivery volume based analysis. So let us check that also, whether it matches with our analysis or not. So if we see TCS delivery volume data of November month, this is 11, 20, 21 and 38. So 30th of November was the highest delivery volume data of TCS, which was the important day of that month. So if we mark, this is 30th of November, high and low of this candle. Again, we can see it took support in this candle. Again, confirm in this candle. Just missed yesterday. I will show you how I missed the trade. So this was the simplest method to analyze the stock. In both phase, we got at the same hypothesis, that is on buy side. So earlier, this month high was my reference level. So if we come on the 5-minute time frame, this is how I missed yesterday's trade. I was waiting to it to come to this level and show some symptom of reverse, but it suddenly moved up. So I missed the trade yesterday. So it opened above this level resistance, which was November month high. So opening was strong. With highest volume, it came down and again went up and closed above. Now, how highest means last 3-4 days of any candle high volume. This was the highest volume candle. It broke all the volumes. So this was important event today. So it proven again that this has a support. So I just find out the entry level. So these two candles form with increasing volume. First two candles. So this candle high are marked. So this candle high was 94.65. So for on safer side, I have placed buy order at 95.10, 95.1, and stop loss was around 88.50. So my buy trade triggered here in this candle, and the target was just below this yesterday close. That was coming around 1:4 risk reward ratio, 21.60. And in this candle, my target got achieved. So this was overall detailed analysis of TCS trade today. Hope you have understood the new method. Thank you.